Welcome to the Ameth Explore videos. The Apple Magic Keyboard is a line of wireless and rechargeable computer keyboards designed by Apple. They are known for their slim, low-profile design and comfortable, precise typing experience. The Magic Keyboard lineup includes different models tailored for various Apple devices, including Mac computers and iPads. A new Apple Magic Keyboard box contains the Magic Keyboard wrapped in a protective, translucent film, a charging cable, USB-C to Lightning or USB-C to USB-C depending on the model, a small, folded user manual and warranty information booklet. Wireless and rechargeable. All Magic keyboards connect wirelessly via Bluetooth and have a long-lasting, built-in rechargeable battery that can power the keyboard for a month or more on a single charge. They come with a charging cable, either Lightning or USB-C, depending on the model, for both charging and a wired connection. Magic Keyboard with Touch ID. This model integrates a Touch ID sensor for secure authentication, logins, and Apple Pay purchases. This feature works with Macs that have Apple Silicon M-series chips. This model is available with or without a numeric keypad. So, while it's true that Apple used the Lightning port for a long time, the most recent and technologically advanced Magic keyboards have now made the switch to USB-C. As usual, every Apple products have their user manuals included in the box. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.